guys, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this finger wave unit brought to you by Love Me Hair. So if you guys are interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So in this video today, I will be reviewing this human hair unit brought to you by Love Me Hair, and this is their finger wave fire orange unit. This is full 100% human hair from a donor, and this is a nice color 350 according to their website. So this is what it looks like. It's such a gorgeous unit, but this is not how it came. So I wanted to show you guys the wave clip that you may need to use once you want to do this finger wave. You need to use a wave clip just like this one. This is around 3 inches in length. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit longer, that you want like a longer wave, you can definitely go higher up in the inches in the wave clips. So the wave clips is what gave this hair a defined wave pattern. That's what it gave it this nice defined look here. As you can tell, it's such a gorgeous look right here, you guys. This is also 8 inches in length, so you can definitely use this any other way if you want to, but I wanted to showcase the finger wave pattern for you all. And look how gorgeous the color is, you guys. I'm coming in a little closer so you guys can see it for yourselves. Very beautiful. So this is the Love Me Hair packaging right here. It's very beautiful, very professional. I really love that about these wig units. They really go all out in these presentation. This is a big deal for me. And it has a little note which states, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair." It's a very nice touch. And also we have the Love Me little pouch, which is cool also. It keeps all of the stuff that's inside. Let me take it out so you guys can see it. So this is the elastic band here. So this is if you want it a little bit tighter. For me personally, I didn't need this nor the adjustable straps in order for this to fit. It is a 22.5 inch cap, so you definitely need to take that into consideration. It is a normal standard size cap, so it shouldn't be a problem for anyone of any head size, but just go with your own discretion. Here is the edge control brush, where you could use to slick down your edges and all that good stuff. Very nice high quality brush as well. And here are the pins. I actually use these to keep the sides down a little bit, so that way it wouldn't keep, you know, flying up and showing itself out. So I used a couple of these pins as well that came, and also the wig came in this little duffel bag right here, this little pouch I should say. And it has the net. I kept the net in, and their logo, which is pretty nice. Such a gorgeous purple. Ooh, I just love purple. So in that little pouch, it came with this headband, which is great for your edges if you're trying to slick them down. And finally, we have this cute Love Me pin. Beautiful. It's blinged out, so yeah, I'm definitely going to use this. Maybe if I put it here, I don't know. But I just wanted to showcase this wig for you all so you guys can see it in its full glory. It also came with wig caps as well, which is a nice nude. You could use it for like blonde wigs if you would like. I do have a couple of blonde wigs, so I'm definitely going to keep this. So that's what came in the box. A lot of goodies in the box, which is pretty great. I love the presentation of the box. Beautiful, very professional. Something I would see myself, you know, a good buying experience. You know, when you're unboxing things, you want things to look good, and that happens to be one of those things. Now, as far as the unit goes, it's very short, it's very manageable. It's not going to give you any tangles, obviously, because it is quite short. You can definitely dye this to your liking. You can cut it if you want to, if you want it even shorter. You can even like not do the finger waves. You can do whatever you want to do with this unit, because it's very versatile in terms of dyeing, bleaching, and all those good stuff. So you can definitely do that. As far as, you might be wondering if it has lace, it doesn't have any lace at all. It's just a full cap human hair unit that when you get this unit, you have to perfect it to your own liking. It's not going to be something to throw on and go. This is definitely something you need to put on and fix it to your face, to frame it to your face and everything else. Now, after all this blabbering, I haven't even showed you guys what the back of the wig looks like. So let me show you what it looks like on my head currently. That's what the unit looks like at the back. It's nice, it's quite wavy, and I haven't done anything to the back either. Like, the back is what was left pretty much untouched. I love how this looks. It's giving me a nice cute vibe, especially for today, Valentine's Day, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, as well as follow me on my Instagram, and also follow Love Me Here on their Instagram as well. They have a bunch of different social media sites, including TikTok, so head over there, show them some love, show me some love. And also, links to this wig will be down in the description box below, where you can purchase, and also to their website. If you're not looking to purchase this wig, you might want something else. I will also leave a link down there to the site itself so you guys can see it. Thank you again, Love Me Here, for reaching out to me to review this unit for my subscribers. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day if you're watching this video right now, and see you all in the next video. Bye.